Jeep Compass has been a cornerstone in Jeep's lineup, offering a blend of rugged capability and urban sophistication. As of February 2025, significant developments are shaping the future of this compact SUV. In late 2024, Stellantis, Jeep's parent company, initiated a retooling process at its Brampton Assembly Plant in Ontario, Canada, aiming to produce the next-generation Jeep Compass. This facility, which had been dormant since late 2023 after ceasing production of models like the Dodge Charger and Challenger, was slated to resume operations in 2025 with the new Compass. However, recent reports indicate that Stellantis has paused this retooling effort. The production restart is now delayed to the first quarter of 2026. This decision stems from uncertainties surrounding potential 25% tariffs on parts and vehicles imported into the US from Canada and Mexico, as well as shifts in regulatory policies. The union representing Stellantis workers in Canada has expressed significant concern over this delay, highlighting the broader implications for the North American auto industry. Site Turn 0 News 10. Despite the setbacks in Canada, Stellantis is advancing its plans for the Jeep Compass in other regions. In October 2024, the company announced that production of the new Compass would commence at the Melfi plant in southern Italy in 2025. This model will be built on the versatile STLA medium platform, accommodating fully electric, hybrid, and internal combustion engine variants. This initiative aims to revitalize Stellantis operations in Italy, which experienced a significant production decline in early 2024. The Melfi plant is also set to produce a new DS brand model in early 2025, with plans for additional mid-sized vehicles in the subsequent years. Site Turn 0 News 13. The upcoming Jeep Compass is poised to undergo notable transformations. Reports suggest that while the electric version will feature four-wheel drive, the hybrid and petrol variants will transition to rear-wheel drive. This marks a departure from Jeep's traditional all-wheel drive offerings. The electric Compass, built on the STLA platform shared with models like the Peugeot 3008, is expected to offer an impressive range of over 400 miles. Production will initially take place in Italy, with European releases anticipated in the coming year and US dealerships expected to receive the model in 2026. Site Turn 0 News 16. In the UK market, Jeep is expanding its portfolio with high-end models. Over the next 18 months, the brand plans to introduce 3 new vehicles, including the electric Wagoneer S, which is expected to compete with luxury SUVs like the Audi Q6 e-tron. Following the Wagoneer S, Jeep will release the Recon, an electric 4x4 reminiscent of the Wrangler, and a third model speculated to be an electric version of the Compass. These introductions aim to enhance Jeep's market share in the UK, which currently stands at approximately 0.5%, largely driven by the Avenger model.